Okay, so this is the plants and growing update. I think this is part 9 of the series. What we are looking at here is a little test world that just has some plants. As you can see, as they get older, the prefab that's used animates to like the next available one. These plants are from the Cinti farmyard asset pack, and it provides a fairly decent range of like, you know, common farm props that we can use for prototyping stuff. So that's like the plants, and then we have these little objects here which are planters, and these have a growing zone controller and UI. This is all very grey box at the moment, but essentially what you have is the player's inventory, the inventory of items that are in the box or in the grow zone, and then this little UI here that changes based on the state of the grow zone. So what we can say is we want to put some potato seeds in. It says it's going to use 4 of them. When we plant seeds, it will remove those from our inventory, and then it will start growing the plants. And if we move outside of here, you can see these plants will grow until they're done. And then if we go back into the UI, you'll see this will catch up and it will carry on growing. And as soon as these are fully grown, it will then put the outputs of this growing into the planter's inventory. And then from there we can take those. So to harvest them, we just take them out of the planter, and you can see we've got some extra potato seeds. And if I pop open our player inventory, you can see that we actually have some potatoes as well. And one other thing that I've added on this is inventory filtering. So these are currently these items that are seeds have the tag seed in them, and this inventory panel now filters to only show seed items. So yeah, we can basically just go in here and do some corn in that one, and then some cabbages in this one. And you can see because it has a larger plot, it uses 16 seeds instead of the 4 from the other one. And then yeah, just sit here and watch the plants grow. So in doing this, I've started work on moving all of the configuration of objects and stuff in the world over to using JSON data and using, there we go, so now we've got some harvestable things. Boop, boop. So this is moved over from using scriptable objects to using JSON data with addressables. So the next big job to do is to basically convert everything, all of the data and prefabs used in the game so far, over to using JSON data objects and addressables. And the reason I'm doing this is because it makes the saving and loading state into a JSON object like considerably easier. And so the next major thing I'm going to be working on is saving and loading, so that we can like go into the world, do some stuff, save, leave, and then come back and reload our previous state. And that's probably like the main outstanding thing left to do. I'm looking at my board of tickets at the moment. That's the main outstanding thing to do before this is actually playable as a game, I think. Cool, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.